This tutorial will show you how to use a barcode scanner and process checkout transactions using our handy library manager software. You can access the check-in and checkout feature in the library main administrator window or the separate check-in out module. Open your library software. Click on the checkout button located on the toolbar. The checkout window opens. The top box is active. The cursor is blinking in the box, waiting for the barcode entry. Scan the borrower's barcode card. If you don't use cards, you can select the borrower from the list. You can also type in the borrower's ID number into the box and press Enter key. In this case, check the barcode scanning mode in the options window. Scan the book's barcode number from the barcode label. The item is selected and details display in the Items section. Click Checkout to finalize the checkout transaction. The Active Loans table lists the newly checked out item. The status of the item is changed to checked out. Copies available is decreased by 1. Click Close. Or, for the selected borrower, you can check out another item. Thank you for watching.